This is probably one of the most exciting episodes of Men's Finest that we've done in recent times. Why? Because we tested new lighting, new ring light, new microphones, new setup, and I wonder what you think about this. Does this make any sense to you? And there is so many things I want to talk to you about here, but let's limit those things to two. One, today I went to a shop called Zara here in the UK. I've actually made some Insta stories about the items that I've bought, so you can see it here. But the point of it is that you don't have to pay necessarily the full price for a lot of items in stores like Zara, because you can actually get to sale time right now is March. So of course there is lots of winter things, lots of collection things that's been changed and now moved on to sale, which you can then grab for 12, 15, 20 pounds. So for instance, this jumper I'm wearing right now is actually one of those items, and all the other items that you saw on that Insta story is also from that item. So that's number one. Number two is that I think I'm going to experiment more with the vlogging side of things here on Men's Finest, because you can only do so many videos about how to tie a tie and how to tie a bow tie and things like that. But having said that, why don't we just tie a bow tie really quickly, because I think I need one for this video. So you know that I've done previously videos about a bow tie and how to tie a bow tie, and this particular one is of course the newest addition to Men's Finest family. This is the self-tie bow tie with zebras on. So how do I do this? It's super simple. You just tie a knot here, you just make a little bow there, you go over, you do this, and then you push through that little gap there. There you go. So you basically have to create a knot, and that's what I'm doing. And then the rest is just literally personal preference on how tight or not you really want it. Yeah, I think we've got it more or less. So this wasn't a video about how to tie a bow tie, but I thought I may as well tie one, since we are talking about what? Talking about new things that's coming your way from Men's Finest. We actually invested a lot of money in new designs for pocket squares and bow ties. You're going to see them drip feeding and me talking about this in the very near future. But also made to measure, it's where it's at the moment. You can see behind me there, this is one of the mannequins that we're using for our made to measure stuff. This is going to be the life right now for a foreseeable future, where I'm going to be measuring lots of clients, lots of high-end people that really want to take their game for made to measure suit up a notch, and literally they want to be the best dressed people in the room. And that's what we're trying to do here. We want to make sure that their shirt and suit and shoes and socks and pocket squares and ties and bow ties game is up to what they do for living, is up to there with, you know, the best people out there, so they don't have to think anymore about what to wear and how to wear things. We basically supply them the lot. So it's been going on since beginning of the year. It's going super strong and well, and we just have to be at it and keep adding new clients to the list. So if you know anyone who is thinking about made to measure anything, let's start with a shirt, send him our way. Or even if you know someone like a wife or a girlfriend that's probably sort of thinking about getting their second half any sort of gifts or anything like that, send them there our way, and then we can talk to them what are the options and how we would go about measuring their husbands, their boyfriend, whoever else in their family. So I hope you like this new setup of lights. Let me just show you what I've got as well. So here is the ring light, so you can see a very nice sort of ring light here. And here on to the right of me, just there, I've got a contrasting light that's basically giving me a light from here, so sort of to break it down, and the entire room is actually dark. This is the normal room that we shoot our videos in, but obviously it's all lit normally with very bright colors. Right now we only have got that light coming from here, a ring light coming from here, and obviously boom mic that is just there. Let me just show you. That mic there, that's the one. So you can actually hear me properly and actually see what's happening. So this is the setup. I'm going to be using this setup right now for for different shoots that I've got. I'm still going to be doing my normal videos. I'm still going to be doing my vlogs, but this is the new setup, and I'm actually thinking about. That's the third thing I want to talk to you about setting up like a weekly reviews of what's happening in men's style, in fashion world in general. Sort of browsing through different news feeds on different venues. I wonder how interested are you actually in finding out what's and me sort of digesting those information for you and being like a go-to place for things like that. So maybe we can do a weekly sort of Monday morning kind of a news feed information to you, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, so they can all land at the same time. Talking what's happened last week in the news, fashion news world. I'm probably not going to be talking about the high-end fashion. I'm thinking more about just sort of men's style in general and what's happening there. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about all those ideas? What do you think about a new setup? And what do you think about made to measure? Don't forget to stay stylish. Ciao.